How to buy Robux with Google Play gift card. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can redeem a Google Play gift card on Roblox. Go ahead and open Roblox application first. So if you want to buy Robux with Google Play gift card, you just need to first make sure to log in. Then tap on the Robux icon at the top, right besides notification. And here it will show you your Robux balance. And right below there, you'll have an option to choose which Robux you want to buy. Now, let's say if I want to buy a Robux worth of $5, I'm going to tap on this option and it will bring out a menu for your payment. So what I'm going to do is click on add credit or debit card. And then if you want, you can also add a option to buy Robux with the Google Redeem card. So you're gonna have to go to Google Play Redeem. So what you can do is go to the web browser, and here you can just search for Google Play Redeem, hit enter, and then tap on the first link you see here. Now you'll have an option to redeem code here, so enter the gift card or promo code here, tap on redeem, and you can then use to buy Robux on Roblox. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.